Well, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna be working on this magnificent piece of shit. This is my winter beater, or we can call it Project Hell, as currently there are not gonna be many videos on this thing, but eventually when the engine or something gives up on it, we're gonna turn this into a full main channel thing, as I have quite big plans for it. But in this video, we're gonna focus on some rust issues. As you can see, she has quite a few, and if we peel this fucking off, yeah, it's not looking great. So we're gonna focus on these, and also, since this is like my winter drift missile, whatever, we're gonna elaborate a bit more on the 69 design over there, and we're gonna do shark teeth, as like every drift missile has something, and maybe add something on the back here, and maybe even fixate more on design in the future. But for now, I gotta get the angle grinder and start grinding some rust, which is always fun. I mean, it's not nice having this shit on your door, but I mean, it could be worse. I mean, if we look down here, then oh yeah. That's quite nice. Yeah, this is very tasty. I can nicely finger this fucking. Oh, that's just. Okay, yeah. See, this is what I was afraid of. This is why Estonian roads suck, and the winter is the death of every fucking car. They just cover the road. Oh fuck! They just cover the road in fucking salt, and it just fucking eats everything in its fucking path. Almost the same stuff on the other side, so I'm not gonna show that, as I can't really film on that side. So I'll be back when all of this is done. Oh yeah, I just about now figured maybe I should take the tree down from the roof. Alright, so now both sides are done, and off camera I also blew all the loose rust out of all the holes. So now, in true Estonian shitbox fashion, we're gonna fill all those holes with this expanding foam. Okay, there's a shit ton of it in here now. Hopefully all these holes will be filled up. Okay, that hole is also filled now, so the car looks like something. Yeah, never, I'm not gonna say it. Alright, well, I've cleaned everything up, and I placed these pieces of paper underneath so they could catch any residue that falls, which in hindsight would have probably been better to put them down before I sprayed that shit, but as we all already know, I ain't the smartest of the bunch. So I'll let this dry for 2 hours and then I'll be back. Well, I'll let it dry for an hour and then another hour for extra time, so it would be actually hard. It has actually hardened, so now we can start shaping it. None of my cars have an official inspection. Usually you just leave a tenner in the car and you'll get through. If the car isn't, completely unroadworthy. But if it has some minor defections like this, you can get through. I'll just now move on to the other side. As before, I'm not gonna film it because I can't really film it, and it's rather the rest the same. Alright, now we gotta mix this shit up. So I'm not doing this shit. It's so fun. Make a lot of it because there's a lot of fucking holes. So a shit ton just fucking fell. That's fucking awesome because that's just gonna go to fucking waste now. I am now playing the guessing game of am I gonna run out of this stuff or am I not? Well, I have bondoed all of the holes and on the other side as well. I'll let this stuff I'll let this stuff sit for the night and come back tomorrow, grind it down, and then we can get to painting this thing. Alright, well, it's the next day and everything has cured. So we can start sending this stuff down now. Right, as this shit is taking way too long and as it's quite boring to watch, I don't think I'm gonna record much of it because, it's the same thing, just in different spots. So I'll be back when all of this shit is done and we can start painting the car. Alright, so everything has been sanded down to some extent. So I'm gonna get a bucket of water and, you can't really see it, but the car is filthy, so I'm gonna just water some of this shit down so there won't be shit under the paint, and then we can start painting this shit. So see you then. If Sven does his job right, there should be an image on the screen that shows you the general idea of the design. So in the front there are going to be the sharp teeth and the eyes. There's obviously going to be the 69. And then on the back there's going to be a slogan, which is a joke between a few friends of mine, which basically in Estonian means go fuck yourself, I have a Ford Sierra. But that's going to come later. I'm probably going to get a sticker of that. But this stuff, the shark teeth and the eyes and stuff like that, that we're gonna paint. So now we're gonna Now we kinda have to mark this out. Well, it's the next day, and let's continue on this stuff. So, I already did the other side off camera. Well, I've obviously did it off camera because I've done everything on that side off camera. And it roughly took me an hour and a half to do all the teeth. So, it's gonna be real fun to do it on this side. You can't see it on camera, but I've kind of marked all the teeth out with a pencil. So I roughly have an idea where to put the tape. So let's get to work. It's gonna be a fun 1.5 hours. Oh, Jesus. Jesus Christ, it's already been 17 minutes and I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 teeth in 17 minutes. Great! Wait, what? Oh. First coat. Also, I found a way that I'm not gonna start spray painting over the spots that peel off. I'm just gonna use a marker. I can't be bothered to start start spray painting it again. So a marker's gonna have to do. Okay, that's better. Okay, red. What the hell is going on outside? The fucking plows are plowing asphalt right now. As soon as the Estonian government sees the tiniest speck of snow, they send out the fucking plows, just plow asphalt and put the fucking salt on the ground, which destroys all cars. I fucking love the Estonian government. Anyway, be right back as the shouldn't just finishes drying. Then we can add the white and we're done. Alright, so I peeled off the masking tape on the driver's side, and some paint did come off it, so we're gonna have to do some corrections, but can't really show it you to perfectly. But god damn, this came out way better than I expected. Like, it's almost perfect. Like, obviously you can see there are some spots that the paint did peel off, and we're gonna have to fix those, but this is way better than I expected this to come out. Well, so last night the camera kinda died, so I couldn't film any of the rest of it, and then I forgot to film an outro. But the car is now finished. As you can see, it came out way better than I expected. But yeah, that's just about it for this video. So again, I hate doing this, so this is fucking cringe. But like, subscribe, comment, do whatever the fuck, and see you in the next one.